Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if I told you that you could turn any text into beautiful sketch notes like handwritten in a minute, no drawing skills required, no design tools required, just AI will do for you. Google Gemini just made creating sketch notes ridiculously easy, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I generated these visuals in less than 60 seconds. Let's get into it. First, head over to Google Gemini. Once you're there, make sure thinking mode is activated. This gives Gemini the reasoning power it needs to explain concepts clearly and accurately. Next, ask Gemini to explain the concept you want to visualize. Keep the explanation clear and fluff-free. You can see how I'm writing in the prompt. Identify and explain health-related daily routine. Be specific and to the point. Provide relevant examples. Don't worry, guys, you will get the same prompt in the video description as well. This step is super important. Define your target audience as well. Are you explaining this to an 18 years old or for everyone? That one detail controls how simple or complex the explanation will be. All right. Now we've got our explanation. In the same conversation, run this second prompt. This is the magic step that transforms plain text into an actual sketch note. Before you click Run, make sure you turn on Create Images. Give it a couple of seconds to process. And there you go. Boom. Looks awesome, right? And if you're happy with the result, just click here to download your sketch note. You can find the exact both prompts in the video description. If you found this useful, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more AI tips, workflows, and tools that actually save your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.